Hello, good evening again everyone, this is the Daily Dose. Welcome back to another diecast car review, and this time let's take a look at this beautiful Matchbox Mercedes-Benz W123 Wagon right here. This was released back in 2018 up to 2019, as some countries got this last year, including us here. And I think I have mentioned a lot in my previous video, like toy hunting video and diecast cars, the reviews, that this casting is one of my favorite castings. And yeah, this is from Matchbox and this is gorgeous. And there's also a new color variant coming soon for this one. But anyways, let's review the car right now. Let's take it off the card here, or the blister. And here it is. So I just love how Matchbox made this wagon. It is a beautiful car. Let's take a look first at the details here at the front of the car. Details on the headlights, as you can see right there. Yeah, really simple details, but it is beautiful. Even has a tiny Mercedes-Benz logo right there. Really plain looking car, as what it should be. Yeah, because this is a vintage Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, I just love old Mercedes-Benz and BMW cars in real life and also in the diecast world. So rims looks really good. Love the steelies on this. I just wish Hot Wheels will also make this style of rims. That would be really fantastic. Love the tan interior. Really well detailed interior here. You can see some details on the dashboard as well. Here's the back view of the car, detailed as well. Taillights detailed. Plate numbers detailed. It has the Mercedes-Benz logo right there, and other details as well. So let's take a look at the details here on the base. So it says 1980 Mercedes-Benz W123 from Matchbox, and they've got some details right here, which is really fabulous. They've got better base details. I mean, Matchbox has better base details compared to Hot Wheels. So anyways, a beautiful car. I just love this one. I'm really a big fan, and again, one of my favorite castings of all time, the Mercedes-Benz W123 Wagon. So that is all. If you enjoy this one, please leave a comment and also smash the like button, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Peace out and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much, guys.